CoverGirl sent me a whole bunch of brow products to play with. This is the Brow Filler Pomade Pencil Crayon. So on this end, you have the pencil. This is the shade Black Brown. And then on this side, you have this tiny little brush. It says to brush up first. Now I'm gonna take this side and start to fill in. The color match is perfect for me too. I have like pretty cool tone brows, so a lot of times the brown shades often end up being a little bit too warm. But right now I'm taking this little brush. It makes it look a little bit softer, and that is always my concern when I do my brows, is that they're gonna look too harsh. Whoa, okay. Obviously this is with, this is without. I feel like this is gonna be game changing for me. I think I also wanna just finish off with the clear wax. That will be the perfect finishing touch to this look. This is the Clean Fresh Brow Enhancer Gel Wax in Clear. I like to kind of like mess them up a little. Okay, this is the final brow look. They are for sure more filled in and defined than I'm used to wearing, but I don't think that they're too much. I think they still look really natural and really pretty. CoverGirl, you killed it with these brow products. It's a vibe. It's a whole vibe.